Welcome to Williamson Health, a beacon of medical excellence that has been serving and caring for our community for over 65 years. I'm Jason Wahler, and today we're doing a deep dive into the heart of Williamson Health's world-class emergency services. From its inception in 1958, Williamson Health has grown, not just in size, but in expertise and technology. In case you didn't know, Williamson Health has recently completed a state-of-the-art renovation and expansion of the Williamson Medical Center Emergency Department.
First thing that people will notice is a much larger, newer waiting room that's more comfortable, lots of light. There's new triage rooms, a much larger waiting room for the families, and then likewise we're expanding the amount of rooms by 15 rooms total to a total of 43 rooms.
A crucial part of emergency care is the seamless coordination with the emergency medical services, the ambulance crews that respond to the 911 calls. In these situations, every second counts.
You're having a heart attack and you need to go down to the cath lab. We call our cardiology colleagues and they whisk you down the hall to open up your blocked artery. If you need emergency surgery, we can contact our fantastic surgeons.
Williamson Medical Center has dedicated pediatric emergency department in addition to adult emergency department. What is the benefit of having an emergency department specifically for pediatric care?
Our pediatric ER is awesome. The pediatric ER is still taking care of lots of complex emergencies across the board. They've got pediatric emergency medicine trained physicians, pediatric emergency nurses, a host of child life specialists to help keep kids comfortable during what could be a very traumatic and stress-filled experience.
We often hear about wait times within the ER. Can you help us understand sometimes why we might have to wait and even the situations that might be going on behind the scenes?
So with wait times, I mean, it's a complex thing. What people don't realize is while they're waiting, we might be getting rows and rows of ambulances coming in with critical patients. And I think what also people don't realize sometimes is there's varying degrees of emergencies. Every person's of equal value and we want to get people back as soon as we can, but unfortunately sometimes there's more emergencies than we have space for, and that creates a little bit of a wait.
The goal is that every patient's journey here is met with a combination of swift expertise and compassionate care.
I think the dedication of our team here at Williamson Medical Center is unparalleled. Everybody's striving for excellence. We all want to provide the best care for everybody. I mean, it's scary having an emergency. All I can really say is you're in good hands at Williamson.